Hey Maria and Heron, this is Devin again. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier on the phone, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can quickly and easily fix so you can start bringing in more customers immediately. I know you're probably wondering why the heck I'd make this video for you, and it's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they just don't typically have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do this stuff for me. If you want to do this stuff yourself or if you want me to do it for you, either way is okay. I would just ask for some feedback at the end of this quick video. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. First off, I love the look of your website. It's very unique. It's very eye-catching. The colors are really great. The robot here is really cool. Everything is really great here. You have a contact form right in the front. So if somebody does hit your site, they're going to give you a lead right away. Really smart design. It's just Google doesn't rank you for how good looking your website is. What they care about is how useful you are. And the most useful pages are the ones that typically have the most content. Content is just whatever words you can read on the page as well as whatever your images are saved as. So the average website on the first page of Google right now has about 2,000 words, and yours currently probably has about 300 to 400. So you're going to want to get that up to 2,000 words. Now, your main competitor is SWAT AC, and you can see right away they already, just going down a little bit, have a bunch more content. But you scroll down, and they are like doing the content right, which is why they're ranking so high for these keywords. So first tip, again, make sure that you have the proper content. Also, to go hand in hand with that content, you need the right keywords. A keyword is just a phrase that somebody searches into Google to find your business. So to find the ones that you're ranking for right now, it's these guys, right? These different keywords. I'm going to sort it by volume to find the most valuable ones. And so, like, for example, air conditioning service Spring TX. Somebody types that into Google 150 times every single month. Imagine how much business you'd have if you were number 1 for that. But you're on page 9. No one goes there. Same with AC repair Spring TX. 150 people search for that keyword. Those 2 keywords alone is 300 searches a month. A lot of business. You're on page 10 for that. So you want these keywords inside of your content. And let me just check out this one if it's even there. AC repair spring. So you don't have it anywhere on your page. So you're definitely going to want to have AC repair spring TX on your page. So that's tip number 1. That's content. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites linking to you. Keep in mind, though, they want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if there's another like HVAC tech or another HVAC company linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check out backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month. You don't have to pay for it. There's a bunch of free tools out there, but it does give you a lot of really valuable data. And it says you guys have been around for quite a long time, and you've steadily increased the amount of websites linking to you, and you're currently at 19, which is a great spot to be. If you want to beat SWAT, these guys are, oops, let me put them in real quick. SWAT TX, sorry. A little bit of lag. These guys have 59 versus your 19, so they have 40 more. Now, I wouldn't say to add 40 more. I'd say to add like 59 more and get like way above them, blow them out of the water. And how you do that is just go copy them. Go see all the websites that are linking to them. Go visit these websites and create an account with them, and then put your name inside or put your link in the profile pointing back to your site. You can also just hit the contact us button and ask these people to create a link for you. But by following those 2 tips of beating them with referring domains and with content, that's how you take them on the organic spot. There's 3 spots you can show up in Google. You can show up organically down here. You can pay for ads, which can be expensive and kind of is spotty with the results. But the best place to show up is right here in the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business section. And you're probably asking, Devin, how the heck do I get there? I'm glad you asked. It's really simple. You just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your exact name, your exact address, and your exact phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you probably heard of like, Yelp and Yellow Pages, White Pages, City Star, stuff like that. I'd recommend figuring out what directories these guys are listed in, list yourself in the same ones, and add a bunch more on top. So like if these guys were in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. But that's all I've got for you. I tried to keep this short and sweet and helpful. I hope it was. As a really quick recap, you're just going to want to have 2,500 or 2,000 to 2,500 words on this page and make sure you have exact match keywords in there. You're going to want to add probably about 50 to 60 websites linking to you, so you can blow these guys out of the water. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And if you follow these 3 tips, you'll be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you have 2 options. You could take this information, you can apply it yourself, and reap all the benefits. And I would be so stoked to see that. I love to see business owners win. And all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback on what you thought about this information I gave you. If you want to just continue running your business, you do want more leads coming in, but you don't want to do the work, feel free to give me a call. I'll give you like a 10-minute chat where you can just tell me a little bit about your goals, and I'll let you know if I even can help you. And if I can't help you, I'll point you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day. Bye.